Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make fluffy sweater nails using a certain item. Sweater nails are popular every winter, and there's a secret to making fluffy sweater pattern. If you use certain things, you can make a knit pattern that looks just like the real thing. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using nail tips this time, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start with nail care, lightly file the surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, apply color gel to the entire nail. This time, I will use this milky latte. Choose the color gel you like here. Any color will go well with sweater nails, such as ivory, light pink, and light purple, but whitish colors go better than vivid colors. Once you've applied it all over, let it cure. If you apply it once, your nails will show through. So apply it twice. When making sweater nails, make sure to apply it twice so that your natural nails do not show through. Once you have applied it all over, let it harden. Next, apply a no-wipe matte coat to the entire nail. After this, you will draw the sweater pattern, so by finishing the entire nail with a no-wipe matte coat before that, you can create a plump knit pattern. Once you have applied it all over, let it harden. Now, let's draw the sweater pattern next. First, take the color gel you applied first and put it on a palette. Once you take it out, mix it with acrylic powder. This is used to lengthen nails at nail salons using acrylic powder and acrylic liquid. It is a lengthening method that is ideal for long nails because it finishes several times harder than gel. By mixing this acrylic powder into the gel or sprinkling it, you can draw a plump pattern like a sweater. Also, be sure to use clear acrylic powder here. Scoop it out with a spoon and mix it into the gel little by little. The guideline is that the gel stays in place without dripping. Next, draw a sweater pattern with a long thin brush. After taking the gel you just made onto a brush, draw many short curves about 1/3 the width of the middle of the nail. First, draw one left curved line from the base of the nail. Next, draw a right curved line from the concave part of the previous curve. Draw several curved lines in the same way. Be careful not to let the lines touch each other. Once you have drawn to the tip of the nail, draw straight lines one by one on the outside of the curve. Draw a straight line from the base of the nail to the tip. Next, draw short diagonal lines on the remaining outer part of the nail. Draw several short lines that go down to the outside of the nail. Do the same on the other side. After drawing a sweater pattern on the entire nail, use acrylic powder again. Scoop up the powder with a spoon or something and sprinkle it all over the nail. Finally, sprinkling the powder will make the surface rough and give it a knit-like texture. When sprinkling, be careful not to touch the sweater pattern drawn with the gel. Sprinkle it all over your nails, then put it under a nail light to harden it. Once it hardens with the light, use a brush about as hard as a toothbrush to brush off any excess powder. Finally, soak a paper towel in ethanol to wipe off any unhardened gel. This completes the process. The rough texture makes the sweater nails look like the real thing. How did you like the sweater nails using acrylic powder? This is the perfect nail art for the coming autumn and winter, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.